Hello, welcome to our presentation. Today I'm going to present our paper, A Lean Implementation Framework for the Turkish Construction Industry. The authors of the paper are me, Didem Ugurlu, Nicky Harris, and Sevilay Demirkesen. So the paper, this presentation actually will start with the introduction part, then it will continue with the concept of lean construction in Turkish construction industry, lean construction implementation framework for the Turkish construction industry, and the conclusion. So as all you know, construction industry is facing with several problems, and they are mostly arising from internal dynamics. These problems are cost and time overruns, lack of investments in terms of innovating the industry, lack of well-trained workers, productivity losses, lack of recovery plan, and lack of collaboration. The industry has adopted change to remain competitive under these circumstances. So at that point, lean can be proposed as an approach for successful project management. It enables projects provide better outcomes in quality, safety, cost and time management of construction process. Moreover, it aims to deliver maximum value with minimum waste. It puts customer focus to the forefront of construction project delivery, and it starts to gain attention in the construction industry nowadays. Number of projects adopting lean principles is increasing day by day. Here you see a timeline of the evolution of lean construction. Lean construction took its roots from Toyota production system. In 1988, it is published by Taiichi Ohno, the Japan engineer. And in 1990, the book, which is called The Machine Changed the World, is published by Womack, Jones, and Roos. As a result of the book, lean thinking started to implement it in other car manufacturing companies, then the other industries, and it spread it all over the world. In 1993, lean construction was first coined. It means that it started implemented in construction industry in 1993. In 1997, Lean Construction Institute is established. In 2000, Last Planner System is published. In 2007, integrated project delivery is started implemented. Lean construction relies on planning and control that enhance project performance. It aims to improve the performance by eliminating waste from construction process, increasing productivity, enhancing health and safety, and fulfilling the client's requirements. Eliminating wasteful activities enables the smooth flow of the process, and it makes the workflow more predictable. The project time is reduced and the project performance increases as a result. When you look at the situation of lean construction in the Turkish construction industry, we can say that lean has not yet gained a tremendous rise in the Turkish construction industry. Majority of construction firms in Turkey are reluctant towards adopting lean principles due to uncertainties of benefits and gains driven by lean construction implementation. When we look at the literature, we can say that there's a gap. There's a gap in the literature about implementation in construction, especially in Turkey, in Turkish construction industry. Turkish contractors are seeking ways for improving the project performance with effectively working tools and techniques such as lean organization. The construction companies in Turkey definitely need a guide to transform their companies into lean organizations. In the methodology part, a questionnaire was designed to reveal the current awareness of lean construction in the Turkish construction industry. This questionnaire is expanded over social networks, and 52 participants returned to questionnaire. It is designed with close-ended questions with multiple choice nature. The respondents were analyzed based on their professions and the company's main business area. When we look at the respondents by profession, we can say that 52% of the respondents are architects, 34% are civil engineers, and 6% are project managers. For organizations' main business activity, we understand that 38 of the participants are architectural and technical design companies, 33% of the participants are contractor side, and 17% of the companies are on the client side. Analysis of questionnaire data show that the lean construction awareness is pretty low in Turkish construction industry. Please look at the table. In the table, it says that there is no knowledge about lean construction, and there is no evidence that proves the usage of lean construction principles, tools, and techniques. 28% says that although they have awareness about lean construction, it is not implemented in their organizations. And only 2% says that implementation of lean construction is systematically evidenced in action. So we can say that lean construction is there is no awareness about lean construction in the industry. It is very low. So to increase this awareness, a generic framework can be proposed. By this way, the lean construction can be promoted and performance levels can be improved. This study proposes such a framework to provide a roadmap for the Turkish contractors. This framework is based on Lean Enterprise Institute's action plan. So here you see the framework at the right side. It has 4 stages: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4. So in stage 1, starts with identification of the need for change. In lean construction transformation, the organization should identify its needs for change and the driving factors that push it to change. Continues with the recruitment of a change agent to lead the lean construction transformation successfully. Lean or the change leader should create the environment necessary to adapt the organization. In stage 2, it starts with defining the current state of the organization and mapping the value stream. Policy and strategy formulation to implement lean construction is developed. Barriers and success factor in the implementation of lean construction should be identified. Success factors are determined properly. They smoothen and make the lean implementation process easier. In stage 3, improving the processes is the first step. Lean teams should be selected based on the skills, capabilities, and openness to change. Trainings should be provided to this team to promote the change. Periodic coordination meetings should be organized between stakeholder teams. Plenary sessions should be coordinated to exchange experiences, failures, and successes. In stage 4, successful lean implementation requires a successful combination of lean tools and lean techniques to complete the system so that it cannot operate independently. When appropriate tools and techniques are integrated into the process, the organization becomes able to create a stable process. This study investigated the current awareness for lean construction in the Turkish construction industry. In this context, a questionnaire was designed and administered to construction professionals operating in Turkey. The result of the data analysis revealed that there is a considerable lack of awareness in terms of lean and its applications in Turkish construction industry. This also indicated that the construction practitioners are not quite familiar with the lean tools and techniques. This led to the development of a framework which acts as a roadmap of guideline for the Turkish construction industry, illustrating the best lean implementation scheme. The framework presents the steps required to implement lean construction in a construction project. The framework consists of elements of leadership and management, driving forces, policies and strategies, barriers and success factors, team selection, training, initial change and tools and techniques. The framework is expected to guide industry practitioners in terms of getting familiar with the lean and its implementation, along with the developing and understanding of efficient lean tools and techniques. As a future work, similar frameworks might be developed for the countries and for the other countries, and the results must be compared accordingly. This was the conclusion part of the paper. Thank you for your attention.